In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit video on TikTok with pictures. By the way, it's available for Android and iPhone, so this tutorial will be helpful for both devices. So all we need is just to open our TikTok and then log in into our profile. So after that, all we need is just to click on plus, and here we can see the window to create the video. So we just want to add our photos, so all we need is just to click on the uploads right up here, and then we can choose just to go to photos. So here we can see all of our photos, and if we want to add some pictures, we need to choose the select multiple in the bottom of the screen. So after that we can choose multiple pictures like this. So when we did it, so all we need is just to click on next. So the music will be edit auto, so I just turn the volume to the 0. So here we can see that now this like a slideshow. We can switch it to video mode, so just click on the button. So now we cannot just slide them, just switch them, it will switch automatically. So now the trend is just to photo mode, so turn it into photo mode. So here we can switch them by fingers. So there are some options we can do with this video. We can just edit text in the right top corner, so we can just write something, just edit these styles or something like this, but I want to delete it. We can also add some stickers or something like this, you know. I will also delete. We can just use different filters. You can do it if you want, but I will not. And we can also crop some images. For example, if we want to change this one, we can just click and choose the necessary part we want to see like this. So then it will be cropped. So now our video with pictures is ready. It's like slideshow. And after that, and of course you can choose the necessary music in the top of the screen. And after that, after all of these edits, we can just click on next, and then we can just edit the post we want, just similar like the video post. Like add the description, add the hashtags, tag some people, add it to playlists or something like this. We can just also save it to device option. So, and after that, all we need is just to click on post, and our video with pictures will be successfully uploaded. So guys, I hope this video was useful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and write your comment. Goodbye.